Two Tao, J. Alexander King and Thomas Lane will be headed to trial. We learned today the three former Minneapolis police officers turned down a plea deal last month from prosecutors. The information coming out during an unusual after-hours hearing in Hennepin County.
Fox 9's Paul Bloom was in the courtroom. He breaks down tonight's developments.
The case of the three former Minneapolis police officers returning to state court here at the Hennepin County Government Center for a rare evening time court hearing, a motion hearing getting underway about 5 o'clock tonight. Couple big issues on the table for the two sides to argue about, but the headline here has to be official confirmation that a plea deal was offered to the trio. Now here's how it breaks down. Unfortunately, the offerings were not made public. We know they were made last month after two Tao, J. Alexander King and Thomas Lane, were convicted over in federal court for depriving George Floyd of his civil rights. They were conveyed over the telephone to the defendant's attorneys, followed up with letters. There was a deadline, but that deadline has now passed. Lane's attorney, Earl Gray, said in court without knowing what will happen to the three related to their federal sentencing that's still to come, there was just no way to negotiate the matter. So in the end, the offers rejected. So it now appears this case of aiding and abetting murder and manslaughter in the May 2020 deadly arrest of George Floyd is headed to trial. One question that will linger: live TV cameras in the courtroom. The defense opposes the idea. They contend their clients cannot get a fair trial with a global audience watching and potentially intimidating participants, including the jury and witnesses. Of course, those cameras were allowed during Derek Chauvin's trial. The state wants them again for Tao, Lane, and King in the interest of public transparency and accountability. A coalition of media members believe it is the only way to go, given the overwhelming interest. But Cahill said Monday he may be bound by Minnesota State court rules here. And with the pandemic waning, he's inclined not to allow a live stream feed outside of the courthouse, meaning the public would need to be here to follow what's happening. But Cahill did not make a formal ruling. He says he's waiting for further COVID guidance that is expected later this week from state court administrators. We'll, of course, keep an eye out for his ruling. Meantime, the final matter, Cahill also deferred a decision on whether to fully sequester this jury for the duration of trial, meaning isolating them from outside influences, including family and friends. The defense is requesting it. Prosecutors strongly oppose the idea. This trial is scheduled to get underway here at the Government Center June 13th. Reporting in downtown Minneapolis, Paul Bloom, Fox 9.